because of the networking knowledge, the CCNA knowledge that I got, it helps me to understand what platform the application is built on, therefore what are the protocols that are used, where the problem lies, how do we enable, is it where a scripting of a stream reader, or is there any technical issue lies there, kind of some applications are not compatible, so on and so forth. Our motto is not just a computer training or a networking training. We actually tell that they got to be a better Indian, where they work with quality, efficiency and so on and so forth, and inspire other colleagues that they work with.
Enable India is a non-profit organization working for economic independence and dignity for persons with disability. Cisco certificate has helped create semi-technical roles for a person with visual impairment, and that's when this idea came up, saying that let's kind of start a partnership with Cisco and Enable India and set up a network academy in India, in Bangalore. Yeah, and that concept, when we started coming up, we started seeing that what are the challenges which we face. There are people across the country kind of joining this course. It's an online course, right? So the theory session happen online. But when we kind of started realizing, if the theory session is happening online, what is the practical experience they are getting? So it was very difficult, because practically they can't. I started thinking about it. The idea of a hub and spoke model came up, saying that let's look at hub, which is Bangalore, but look at the Cisco Net academies across the country. Yeah, maybe looking at the 5 zones and have a practical sessions kind of a tie-up where the spokes, the candidates go to a nearer spoke and get this training or practical sessions kind of done. So this is now kind of taken very well. We have got a batch of 30 candidates who have joined us, and we have started this batch. We are proud to say that today Enable India is an authorized Cisco Network Academy for the visually impaired, and we can take this forward from here. And we are looking at now getting candidates trained and putting them into a very good workforce, employable workforce for semi-technical roles in organizations as well from there.